guys, so right now I'm gonna add all the rest of my oils. This is my coconut oil and my mango butter, which are basically my hard oils. After that, I'm gonna remove the scale and clear out a space to start adding my additives, which is my kaolin clay, my buttermilk powder, and anything else that I plan on adding, but I think that was all for this batch. And then after that, I'm gonna mix it in my oils only with the stick blender, so I don't have to blend so much. I wanted to stay at like a true light trace. I'm also sectioning off my turmeric powder for when I'm placing that inside of my mix and so forth. Okay, so now that I have it all mixed up and stuff, like with my base oils, I added my I'm gonna add my light water, which is now, and then I'm gonna mix it to a light trace, a very, very light trace. Now I've already mixed up this part of my batch that is for my turmeric and ginger. I've already mixed it in, and I'm just gonna drop swirl it all in there. I'm gonna make sure that I scrape the bowl just because I don't plan on adding any more to that, and then I'm gonna let it sit until it's ready for me to do like a design on it. I believe I tested it. Okay, so now I'm going to move into the second part of this batch. I'm going to add my green color to my apple soap. This is the little bit of green that I want to pop through to my apple soaps. I'm also going to drop swirl this one. This is like a shimmery green color that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a mica powder. I'm going to just give my white a quick stir. Then I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the turmeric one and just pop it into my mold. And then I'm going to drop in the green after I stick blend it a bit and make sure that the color is fully incorporated. I'm going to whisk it first just so I don't have to do a lot of stick blending. But then I'm going to hit it with the stick blender just to make sure that it's thoroughly through there. Once I get it to a light green, I'm going to just go ahead and do the same very thing that I just did and drop it in there. so now that I noticed that everything is the way I need it to be, I'm going to go ahead and put my embeds. These embeds I made a few days ago. They're green apple scented gummy bears, and I'm just going to put 2 per soap bar, one laying down flat and one sticking out, just for a nice little aesthetic and a difference in them. I was going to add frosting to this soap, but I've already have frosting soap in my oatmeal collection, and I don't want them to all look similar to each other, so I'm doing something different with this one. And our next one, which is the strawberry and oats, will have frosting, of course. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so this is the end. I did not record me cutting the bars just because I cut them in the middle of the night after they sat for like 10 hours, just because I noticed that they were hardening up pretty quickly. So I wanted to hurry up and fix that before I missed my opportunity to cut them, and then they were going to be too hard to cut. But I did insert pictures of the ending result at the very end of this video so you guys could see exactly what they look like. And if you made it this far to the end of this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And